Alright, still working on the 2008 Ford Taurus X. And this may be the same on many of the Taurus or Sable models. Possibly even, some other Ford models. If you look underneath, if you're also hearing a knocking when you turn your air conditioning on, this one you don't even need to pull any body panels off. Hold on one second. If you just get underneath the steering wheel area. Hold on one second, let me get this flashlight in place. Underneath here, on the left side wall above the emergency brake, just look up in there. There's the fuse box. Fuse box is right there. If it will focus, it probably won't because it's kind of dark and whatever. But then on the center console wall, there's another actuator right there. That big white thing right there is the other actuator, and I heard it knocking as well. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it out, and I can pretty much guarantee it's got broken teeth as well. And that's an 8mm. It's only got 2 little screws that hold it in place. So, shouldn't be too bad. Shouldn't be too difficult to get in there. You gotta lay down a little bit, You gotta lay down underneath there. But overall, not too bad compared to some other Fords I've worked on. So, anywho, if you turn your key on with the AC on and you hear... I've already unplugged it. But if you hear it knocking and you touch the actuator with your finger and you hear it, you feel it knocking, that means it's probably got broken teeth and need to be replaced. So this is what we're going to do. Should be able to get those at most any auto parts store or the internet. You can get the aftermarket ones. They're a good bit cheaper than the OEM, but that's up to you. But like I said in the other video, I highly recommend you pull the part off your car first and do a direct comparison with that one to the new one you're considering buying. Because some of the fitment lists are incorrect on the internet. Anywho, working on this 2008 Ford Taurus X. It's got miscellaneous little issues and whatnot, so we're going to be doing quite a few projects on this car. Check out our other videos. We'll see y'all later.